Hey guys, welcome to the Summit Hydraulics channel. My name is Sam and today we are in Chandler, Arizona. We're going to be checking out a bunch of the equipment on this job site where they're building a data center. Massive cylinders on the outriggers. So many excavators on this job site, moving tons and tons of dirt, just to build foundations, getting everything out of the way. Arizona has a lot of hard dirt. Arizona bedrock is known as caliche, so a lot of hard work has to go into just, making foundations and moving dirt in general. Tons and tons of hydraulics are going into this machine. We have several lines. You have your lower pressured lines and then you have your higher pressured lines. Some of those have some flange ends, it looks like, so probably roughly around 5,000 psi at the minimum, just running those 4-wire hoses. A machine quite like this one, a bigger one, is going to be probably a closed center hydraulic system that it's pressure flow compensated. So on the hydraulic system, it's not constantly pumping flow. So basically, pressure is only needed when obviously the valve is actuated, solenoid. So you have a lot of wires going up and down this, so there is probably load sensing on this machine to control a lot of the hydraulics on it. Follow me, we're gonna go check out some more equipment. So over here you can see we have a water truck here in Arizona. There always has to be a water truck on any job site quite like this one. Lots of dust. Arizona is very dry, so there always has to be a water truck making sure all that dust is down, spraying the job site constantly. So lots going on there. Here we have some more guys. Looks like they might be doing some air samples. Like I was saying, these water trucks have spray heads all around them. This particular one doesn't really have any ones that fanning out water, but on the back side we do have a hose right here to where they can easily move that hose around just to spray down the job site. It's got a little fog nozzle right there. And then over here we have some more valves on the outside. There are some sprayers on the outside on the driver's side here, so they're probably only doing one side at a time, it looks like. Over here we have a big truck right here. It's got a flatbed trailer on it. Looks like it's hauling some generators, possibly for some cooling towers over there. But major weight is definitely being put on this trailer right here. On this trailer right here, you probably have a bunch of wet line couplers. We do sell wet line couplers at our site at summithydraulics.com, but definitely some wet line couplers on there, definitely keeping some of the power, any hydraulics, going to this trailer right here. Look, we have some couplers over here on this lift over here. Yeah, so if you were wanting to put a third function on a lift like this, one of our Summit valves would totally get the job done. Obviously running the valve from the back, connected to your pump, or to any of your other hydraulics feeding downstream from Power Beyond. But that could be extended out to where you have these two auxiliary couplers to push fluid in and out, whether if you're running, say, like a grapple or any other type of function on this this type of forklift that we have right here. Big machine. We got a Cat 950M right here. Tons and tons of maintenance have to go into this machine just to keep it running sufficiently. Over here in the distance we have a big crane, definitely lifting tons and tons of weight. Looks like it's being used to possibly lift up those cooling towers that are being installed. So really cool stuff. Tons of hydraulic lines going into that, cables and whatnot holding all that weight. But just to get all that set up, they have to use all these lifts and stuff just to put all that stuff together. So it didn't just get here like that. So all that had to be assembled. Thank you for tuning in with us today. In today's video of us checking out a lot of this equipment on this data center job site. If you have any job sites you would like us to check out, please list those down below in the comments. We would love to hear it. Also, remember to please share and like and subscribe. Remember, go to Accesstruckparts.com for any water truck needs, as well as Summit Hydraulics for any hydraulics needs.